it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to make an adorable little bracelet using the newest Softlex company design kit, Sunset Splendor? And I will leave a link down below in the description for the unboxing video of this kit. We'll be using the exclusive bead strand, and this is made by Jesse James Beads. It's not part of the kit, but it's sold separately, and it matches all the theme and colors of the kit. So I fell in love with these beads and I wasn't sure if I wanted to make them into earrings or a pendant. So I think I'm going to make them into earrings. So I'm going to remove them from my strand. But I just fell in love with how Jesse James Beads designed the strand and I wanted to keep it as is. I am just going to be sprinkling in these beads, and these were exclusive from the kit by Softlex Company. And I'm using the garnet colored wire also in the kit. And then I'm just going to make my bracelet. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also in the description, I will leave links for all tutorials for the Sunset Splendor Design Kit, as well as other bracelet inspiration. Let's start creating. So I'm just going to open my strand. And I know some of these Jesse James bead strands or just some of the bead mixes are kind of like collector items. Sometimes they're just so beautiful and you just want to leave them as is and just kind of admire them and not create with them. This might have been one of those strands, but I fell in love with these and I was like, I have to do something with them. So we're going to create. So I'm just going to leave my beads kind of on the string that it came on, and then I'm just going to work off of the string and add it to the soft flex wire, and then adding in these little beads. So for sure, I want to put these beads in place of the giant ones here. And this one, I'm thinking of maybe, not sure. We'll have to see where those get added into, or actually maybe at the end. I think that would be really pretty as well. So we have our pattern. So we're just going to start stringing onto the soft flex wire, and I'm going to keep it on the spool. That's just going to act as a bead stopper. You're going to need your clasp. I'm using the lobster claw, and this came in the design kit. And then you'll need a couple of your gold 2x2s. My beads on. What's nice about this is you can kind of see the garnet wire show through. I just feel that really adds to the design. And I love how Jesse James beads will mix the metals. So it's a little bit of copper or brass mixed in with the golds. So we're just adding on our beads. In this kit, everything was just really sparkly and shiny, and you could make a lot of sun catchers. And if you ever wanted to kind of take the kit apart, you can see what's in a Jesse James bead strand, a lot of metal spacers, and then some unique little findings. Sometimes this just kind of helps you design as well. If you're ever in a creative slump, you can just look at one of their bead strands and how they add everything together. Just looking at all these colors once I removed the larger beads just reminds me of fall, all the wonderful autumn colors. So I kind of maybe just want to add like a little owl charm to this and kind of make this into like a little fall bracelet. Can't believe it's already August and September is right around the corner. So all things fall and pumpkin and super exciting. So when I remove the larger beads, this is where I'm going to add in that extra little bead. And then I'll just keep adding on the beads to my bracelet. So we have our beautiful bracelet, very sparkly. And I like those little beads, just switching them out for the bigger ones. So now we're going to attach our clasp. We're going to get our 2x2. I'm just going to slide my beads down just a little bit so I'm not using so much soft flex wire. So we're going to slide on our 2x2 and our lobster claw. We're going to pass back through our little 2x2. We're going to leave a little bit of a loop. That's what I love about the soft flex wire as well, is the wire is going to show in your design, so you can really make it match your beads. And take our pliers and we're going to give it a little smash. And then we're going to rotate. And this is just going to give it a more professional finish. And then we have a little bit of a tail, but we're just going to tuck it right inside that next bead. We're going to slide the beads down and cut the wire from our spool. And you could attach a jump ring to the end if you wanted to, but I'm just going to attach it to the loop that I'm going to make with my soft flex wire. Or if you had a two-part clasp, you would attach the other side of the clasp on this side. So we're just going to slide on our 2x2. I'm just going to pass back through. We just want to make sure that our loop is big enough that our lobster claw will fit through it. And then if we want to in the future, we can always add a charm or a jump ring and extend the length of our bracelet. We're just going to go in and give it a smash and rotate. And then we're just going to trim off the extra. And what's nice about this as well is if you ever just wanted, because fall season is coming up, if you ever wanted to wear this as a necklace, you could add a piece of chain or leather and your clasp would be on the side. So it's kind of an asymmetrical look as well. So here is our beautiful bracelet for Sunset Splendor. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for all other tutorials with Sunset Splendor Design Kit, as well as the bracelet inspiration. Have a wonderful day.